Good afternoon, class. Today we will be learning about stormwater pollution. First, we will take a look into what exactly is stormwater pollution. Stormwater pollution is created when trash, animal waste, pesticides, motor oil and other contaminants left on the ground are washed or thrown into storm drains. Now many of you may be wondering, how big is this problem in Los Angeles? Well, let's take a look. With roughly 10 million people calling Los Angeles their home, everyone's actions add up quickly. A study done in 2001 by Pellegrin Research Group estimated that each month in Los Angeles, residents contribute to stormwater pollution by the following. Here are a few ways you can help prevent stormwater pollution. 1. Use fertilizer sparingly and sweep up driveways, sidewalks, and gutters. 2. Never dump anything down the storm drains or in streams. 3. Vegetate empty spots in your yard. 4. Compost your yard waste. 5. Use least toxic pesticides, follow labels, and learn how to prevent pest problems. 6. Direct downspouts away from paved surfaces. 7. Take your car to the car wash instead of washing it in the driveway. 8. Check your car for leaks and recycle your motor oil. 9. Pick up after your pets. Most contaminants can be broken up into 7 different categories. The first being sediments and floatables, coming from things like streets, lawns, driveways, roads, construction activities, atmospheric deposition, drainage channel erosion. Second is pesticides and herbicides, coming from residential lawns and gardens, roadsides, commercial and industrial areas. Third are organic materials, coming from residential lawns and gardens, commercial landscaping and animal wastes. Fourth is metals, coming from automobiles, bridges, industrial areas, corroding metal surfaces. Fifth is oil, grease, and hydrocarbons. These come from roads, driveways, parking lots, vehicle maintenance areas, gas stations, illicit dumping to storm drains. Sixth is bacteria and viruses which come from lawns, roads, leaky sanitary sewer lines, animal waste, septic systems. Seventh is nitrogen and phosphorus. The sources of this contaminant come from lawn fertilizers, atmospheric deposition, automobile exhaust, soil erosion, animal waste, detergents. Let's get into 2 specific industrial pollutants that get into stormwater. Aluminum is found dissolved in water. High aluminum intake is associated with vitamin deficiencies, nerve damage and cancer. People with kidney damage are particularly susceptible to aluminum toxicity. One of its impacts of the environment is being toxic to plants as it affects and prevents nutrient intake. It can also be toxic to fish as it interferes with fish gill functions and can cause the fish to lose electrolytes. Last, we will touch on oil and grease. Most commonly found by motor oil and fuel. Toxicity varies around different types of oils and greases. Refined oils are more toxic than crude oils. What are more harmful to us are the hydrocarbons found in fuels that can affect our liver, kidneys, and blood. Oil and grease impact the environment by taking away aquatic organisms' ability to reproduce and survive. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.